Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Xfinity camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you need to follow. So first of all, you need to check your camera is trying to connect to the correct Xfinity network. If you have multiple networks like Xfinity and Xfinity 5G, just make sure that you are using the 2.4 gigahertz network. Xfinity cameras do not connect properly to the 5 gigahertz during the setup, so make sure that it is connected to 2.4 gigahertz network only. Now in the second step, you just have to simply turn off the advanced security temporarily. Xfinity's advanced security feature sometimes blocks the new devices from connecting. So in order to disable it, you need to go to the Xfinity application, then simply go to the security settings in it. Afterwards, in the security settings, you just have to look for the option of advanced security. So you need to simply disable or pause the advanced security while setting up your camera. Now you need to restart your Xfinity gateway properly. For that, you just have to unplug it and then simply wait for 2 minutes. Then simply plug it back in. So this is going to clear the temporary network issues that can block the device pairing. Another important fix is to simply check the device limits. If too many devices are connected to your network, the gateway may refuse the new connections. So you can just simply disconnect any unused devices and then you can try connecting it again. So you can try these simple easy fixes and see if your Xfinity camera Wi-Fi connection problem is resolved. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.